Good morning students. Hope you all are fine and have seen all the previous videos and have understood the process of respiration in human. Today you will learn about breathing in other animals, in which you will read about small animals like cockroach, earthworm, frogs, and also about aquatic animals like fish, dolphins and whales. So let us see how the above animals breathe. Breathing in other animals. Different animals possesses different organs for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Animals such as elephants, lions, cows, goats, frogs, lizards, snakes, birds have lungs in their chest cavities like humans for respiration. The smaller animals like cockroaches, earthworms, fishes, ants, and mosquitoes do not have lungs. Therefore, respiration in these animals takes place by other means. Cockroach. Insects like the cockroach, grasshopper, etc. have tiny holes on the sides of their body. Their openings are called spiracles. The spiracles on the body of insects are connected to a network of thin air tubes called trachea, which spreads into the whole body of the insect where the exchange of gases takes place. Air rich in oxygen rushes through spiracles into the tracheal tubes, diffuses into the body tissue, and reaches every cell of the body. Similarly, carbon dioxide from the cells enters into tracheal tubes and moves out through spiracles. The blood in these animals do not contain hemoglobin and is not red in color. They cannot carry oxygen to all parts of the body. Therefore, transport of air takes place through the spiracles in these organisms. The tracheal system or spiracles are only seen in insects, not in any other group of animals. Earthworm. Earthworms and leeches absorb the atmospheric oxygen through their moist and slimy skin because gases can easily pass through the moist and slimy skin. They absorb the atmospheric oxygen through the moist skin and transport it through the blood to all the cells. Frog. A frog, like human, possesses a pair of lungs, but when they are in water, they breathe through the moist and slippery skin. When they are on land, they breathe through the nostrils and a pair of lungs. So let's study now about the animals that live underwater and how do they breathe. There are many organisms which live in water. They do also breathe underwater. Some of them are given below. Fishes are the aquatic animals that live in water. They have a special organ for breathing called gills. The oxygen dissolved in water enters through the gills. Gills are actually the projections of skin and have blood vessels for the exchange of respiratory gases. The fishes breathe by taking in water through its mouth and sending it over the gills. The oxygen dissolved in the water is extracted by the gills and the extracted oxygen is absorbed by the blood. This oxygen is then carried to all parts of fishes for respiration. The carbon dioxide produced during respiration is brought back by the blood into the gills and expelled into the surrounding water. So the diagram breathing in fish. Dolphins and whales. Sea animals like dolphins and whales live in water, but unlike fishes, they do not possess gill for respiration. They possess nostrils, which are called blowholes. Their blowholes are located on the upper part of their heads. These animals breathe in through their nostrils and lungs. Dolphins and whales come to the surface of sea water from time to time to breathe in air. Sometimes whales release a fountain of water that moves upwards like a spray. This is because when a whale breathes air out of its blowhole, it appears as a spray or mist, also called a spot. It can be seen from many miles away. Blowholes are surrounded by muscles that keeps the holes closed when the whales or dolphins are underwater and open it when the animal is at the surface and needs to breathe. The humans cannot survive underwater because they do not possess any gills to make use of the oxygen dissolved in water for breathing. When we go underwater, we have to take oxygen gas cylinders for breathing. I hope you all know about it. Have a nice day, and that's all for today. Thank you.